Great day, how are you? I am your boy Proqnosiz. I also go by the name Khomutsi, or you can just call me Alpha Wolf Forex, whatever that makes you happy. Otherwise, I am back. Today we are doing pre-market analysis. We're going to check out gold. Before I forget, if you are into forex, if you're into indexes, if you're into CFDs, or if you are just into forex education and you want to grow your trading, you are passionate about forex, or you just want to make money and you are just visiting or passing through, please make sure you subscribe to this video so that you can get content related to forex each and every time. We're going to be posting a lot of videos. We are also busy with a forex pattern cheat code or forex pattern strategy. So we've been posting about it. We had a previous video which was about forex pattern cheat code. It is available on the channel, and we are still continuing with the series. And please do check out our website. We are also continuing with the series in the website also. And then we just had a blog which was about forex chart patterns. Please add, the link is in the descriptions. And if you want to learn more about forex, also the link is in the description. Check out our website. We have some cool brilliant courses. But let's just go on to the business of today. We are going to be looking at gold, and we're going to be looking at Nasdaq. I am so excited. The market is about to open. This is our pre-analysis. I am Khomutsi. Let us go and dig right into it. Let's go.
Ride around, music loud, swerving with the top down, living life on the right. You only get this once, catch me riding around.
Okay, you are watching Currency Market Execution channel, and then we are going to be doing pre-market analysis, and we are going to be looking at gold, and we are going to be looking at Nasdaq. Let me just get right into it. Let us go right into it. Let's go. Fine. Okay, this is how the market looks like. Let me just go to the 4 hour. I was just checking it out now. Gold has been very good to us. Has been very good to us. We've been eating from this with the premium channel or the premium group. This is a very strong support zone which has been through since I think 16 September. It has been very strong, and it has not broken yet. So I've been using it as a reference, and we had a touch here on I think on Friday. Is it Friday or Thursday? Friday or Thursday? Let me just check. It was on Thursday. It was on Thursday, and then it did the job. It did the job, though we didn't enter the trade because of I wasn't so sure. I wasn't so confident about it. I just wanted to see what's happening. I just got a strong feeling that there's going to be another test on the zone. So I just didn't know how long this bullish try will go. I just doubted it, so I didn't take the trade. Otherwise, I was just looking at it because there's very important critical zones. Look here, there's a remember, we always are in the course that we do, the paid course, not the free course, though it is there also, but in extensive detail we cover support and resistance, and then we always concentrate on the latest resistance or support structure. And we can see here we have remember also it's a zone, not a line, so it can also be around here and then it changes. So we have a strong resistance here, and like now this zone has extended to this point here. Remember, this is still the same zone, but it helps for you to just look at the recent one. Just base your analysis on the most recent, though I trust this zone very much. If you go back actually and you see this zone has been very active, it has been since the 24th of September, and it has worked. Just that sometimes it will not hit exactly, so it always helps going to the most recent one. We're on a 4-hour time frame. You see there was a double top here which reversed the market, and now we're here. So now this is a range. You can see it's a wide range that is forming, but we do know that gold does not actually trade long. It doesn't really move long in a range. It always breaks, so we're waiting for the next break, but we can always trade the range. So the nice also point of interest is this here. this rejection candle, and then this rejection candle, you can see it's on this nice zone here. But what gives me confidence about this zone on a 4-hourly chart is if you look here, this support has been there and it's continuing to extend, so it makes it a very important zone. Look here, the market went up and then it came here and then it found support on the very same zone. It broke down, I believe there was I think it was fundamentals here, I'm not sure, and then it pushed up, though it broke it, but it still used it as support again before finding the next resistance, the next higher resistance, and then broke down. Look what happens here again it used it as support before breaking it. There was a lot of rejection here and it broke it, so now it's here again. This is a zone that can be broken, yes, but it is a zone that is very important that we cannot ignore. So I'm looking at this and looking at the candle formation, and I can just tell you that I believe this market, you just have to wait for this candle for the next candle on an hourly chart, and then this will try to go retest this zone again. Lower, you get a high here, a lower high, and it close here on the next lower high. So look here on the hourly chart, né? Let's look here. Do you see what I'm talking about? So there's a lot of rejection on this zone, so I believe looking at it, though on the hourly chart you can see there's a high here and the next high, but when you look in a longer time frame, you can see that this market is dropping. So we just going to wait for the next candle to see what it does. I believe the next candle can come, try to retest here, and then it will drop. You have like substantial, you know, that's like, you know, 1620 ticks, 1,700 points. So it's actually a very good move. I do feel like there is if you go on a 30 minutes time frame, you can still see there's a nice support forming here. So I do believe you're going to find a little bit of retest, but around this zone I believe that it can give us a sell, but wait for a confirmation. Now, if not so, it's going to try and come here, you know, like for it to move from here to here. I don't see that strength, I don't see it having that strength, but I see there is a downward pressure that is going to push the market down. I know with dollar and the confusion which is happening now, there is you know, not so much confidence on it, that, you know, so everybody's expecting gold to push up. But I would say let's just wait for the next candle, the next 4-hour candle, meaning you know, we will start checking this around 4 o'clock in the morning or so. So let's rather wait for the next 4-hour candle first, and then after the next 4-hour candle, I think the direction, it will be certain whether it's going to go up or down. But even if it's going to go up, I don't believe it's going to break this. I believe this market is going down to try and break this level. There is some strong, very strong, I believe this is a range, you know, an indecisiveness here, but I believe that this zone finally is going to be tested and most likely broken. But if it is not going to break, we are going to enter here. But let's wait for the confirmation, and then from there I will do another analysis, and then I will do another video, and then we will see where we're going to enter this market, where we are going to enter. But I see it going to test this zone again, and then there's around 1,600, between 1,600 points that we can benefit from this trade, and then we can risk maybe 200-300 points, which is, yeah, basically, depending on how much you are looking at it, it's the risk to reward ratio is quite wonderful. I would wish for the next candle to go a little bit up and get stuck in this range, so it can give us a little bit of room for us to enter, so we can enter going down. But if it is going up also, there is an opportunity around this zone, but I don't think that the risk is, yeah, it's like around 1,200, and then you know, no, the risk is not, the payoff is not so well. If you're going to do this, we're going to risk manage this trade. The payout is not so well. I'm not feeling the payout well when you're going up. So I am hoping for a downward move to test, and then finally break this zone and then come around here and then go for another retest and then go down. So but you know, with gold, like I said, with gold you have to always analyze it. You have to continue to analyze it. You know, you have to continue to analyze, continue to see what it does, or you know, how it's not about what we want, it's about what the market is doing. So we just have to follow what the market is doing. So I just say I'm just going to wait for the next 4-hour candle. When the market open, I will just analyze and check it, but I want to, for me, I will confirm after the next 4-hour candle on where gold is going. But my feeling and what I see now is that we are going to have a downward movement. The exact entry and exit will determine after the 4-hour candle. Yeah? And let us look at the Nasdaq. Let us look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq, you know, it paid us well last in the beginning of the week. Actually, that was the last time we traded it. We had a very good trade that we took, and then though we didn't take full profit, we were going to take full profit. But what happened is, let me just show you actually on the 1-hour chart what happened. You know, this Nasdaq is a bit of it. You know, it's very volatile. It's like, you know, you just have, as long as you took something out, it's always good. What happened is we had a very good trade where we went in here, broke in the zone, went in with a strong candle, and then from here we locked with the team. You know, we locked our profits here because I know this zone, if you even look back here, this is a zone of interest. So I knew that this zone can reverse. So after we broke with a strong candle, I said, okay, fine, in case there's a reversal, let us just lock profits here. So we locked profits, and what happened, the next candle was a bullish candle, and then there was rejection, and I said, okay, fine, it's gonna go down. What happened, the next candle the next bearish candle went up, had a spike, and then took us out, and then from there it traded on this important zone range, and then from there it went down, went up again, and then went down. This was our intended target, but we went here, which is, you know, it was a very good payoff. If you think about it, you can see it was like, you know, around 1,500 points. You know, it's a very good payoff. Otherwise, yes. So that's what happened. And then we did not trade. We were doing a lot of other forex pairs, and then we are here. I was just checking this point of interest again, this zone, and then if you notice, we are still on this very same zone. I actually noticed this now. This is the same zone that we were taking out in medium profits. So we are here again on this current price zone, 11916.7, depending on which broker you're using, but it's basically almost the same. And then it is here where we also know the same with Nasdaq. It does not trade so much in a range. You know, they always break unless the range, it makes a range very big. I'm just doing this because of I know how Nasdaq always moves. You know, it will be trapped in a range, test the range a couple of times, and it will break out. Most of the time it will do a false breakout and then come back again in the range and then go to its move. Yeah? So that's what's happening now. Here, entered this range, tested the range, gave a nice, beautiful. By the way, we are doing a series about forex chart patterns. We are doing a series about forex chart patterns. I say this, but remember, look here, it looks like a nice double bottom, but remember how we discussed in our lesson. You see, it came looking at it from here, came down here, and then here. What neckline? I always talk about the neckline, that do not enter around here, wait for the neckline to be broken. Failed to break the neckline. What happened? Went down. You know, went down, didn't even come back to do a triple top. But otherwise, yeah, that's why we didn't really enter. Since that trade that we didn't enter again on Nasdaq. We're just concentrating on other pairs. But otherwise, here it is. Here this looks like a nice double top forming, but here look at this spike here on a supposedly neckline. Did not enter here, and then we had a very strong bearish 1 hour candle pushing to the downside, and now we're experiencing a rejection candle. this can also, you know, imply that the market is going to push up because of this nice rejection here. And like I said, the range for Nasdaq is always quite high. It's 881. I doubt this range will hold, you know. So for Nasdaq, looking at it now, unlike, you know, with gold, where I know where I want it to go and then I know what I'm going to do if it goes there, with Nasdaq right now, looking at it, there's a lot of indecisiveness, you know. There is a lot of indecisiveness, though I see it testing this level again. I see it testing this level again based on this rejection candle here and in this zone. This zone, remember, like I said, it just formed. Actually, it didn't just form. It has been there as a support range, you know. So it worked here, and here it failed, and then here it became active again, and then it was active here again, you know. So it is broken, but the next candle is a bullish candle. So same with gold. I would say wait, but I truly see this. Let's see this, nah? Let's just check this out. Let us do this. Let us go into the 4 hour and then see what is going on here. Let us see what's going on here. Didn't analyze this. I'm analyzing it actually with you. This, I say, let's wait for the market to open. Let's wait for the next candle to open. We're going to do another video in the morning. We're going to do another video in the morning after 2-4 hours of the market, and then we're going to take it from there. This one right now, I would say when the market opens, it's going to be a very high risk if you're going to enter this. Either you're going to sell or buy. It will be a very high risk for you, you know. So rather wait for the market to open. At least give it 1 or 2 hours, you know. Give it 1 or 2 hours and then take it from there. Take it from there. It looks like it has a strong bearish momentum coming up, you know. It has strong bearish momentum coming up. That's what I see here. Okay, on the zone, I would say just wait for an hour or two for the market to open, but I see a test on this level also here. I see a bearish momentum continuing to go to the downside, but we can only confirm that after the market opens. After the market opens, concerning what's been happening also in the US with Trump and him making that speech. So let us see how the market reacts to that news. I also foresee a jump. I also foresee, you know, a market jump during the opening. So wait for that. Wait for the pricing in of what happened in that speech, and then from there we will take it. All this, I'm going to make another video immediately after like early in the morning. I'll make another video and then I'll post it, and then after that we will generate the signals and then we'll send it. I believe this week will be a very profitable week. I believe this week will be a profitable week for all of us, and I've been, you know, looking at the market right now. I foresee a very profitable week. So I see a very, very profitable week for us. I see a very, very profitable week, even though, like I said, when you look at it, you know, this pre-market analysis. So we're just trying to gauge and see what we can expect and what we can do when the market opens. So we're going to do another analysis when the market opens, or just a couple of hours after the market open. I will send it to you, and then we will take it from there. By the way, I'm also going to send this to YouTube. So if you're watching this on YouTube, I'm basically talking about the groups. So yeah, if you want to be part of it, please check the link in the description. We do have a Telegram channel which is free for everybody. You can join the Telegram channel. You can also get signals there, but otherwise we do have things that we do with the team. We have 4 different types of groups. We have the platinum group, which is a premium group. We have the gold group, we have the silver group, and we have the fundamental group, which is 100% fundamentals. We don't do technicals there. So I will send the link to the store. You can join and be part of this movement that we are doing. We are Currency Market Execution. My name is Mohamud. I'm Alpha Wolf Forex, or you can call me Proqnosiz, or you can even create a name for me. It doesn't matter. It's always a pleasure coming here. We have a series that we are doing, which is Forex chart patterns. It is going to be hot. It's getting extreme. So we have a video that we did which was 1 hour long. I explained on the video that it's gonna come or the next video that's for YouTube, what I'm talking about. So make sure you subscribe if you didn't subscribe, so that you don't miss out, so that you do not miss out. And we have cool giveaways. Always check out the description. Sometimes I do videos and I forget to talk about it, but they are always in the description. So go in the description, hit us with a comment, tell us what you think. Always go through the description, read through what is there, and there's always coupons that are put there, like it's a treasure hunt. So you know, it's a treasure hunt, so you can just go and check in the description. Follow us on social media, and I'm not always on social media, but I'm always here with you on YouTube. And yeah, so but I do have a team that is running the social media accounts. But if you want to talk to me, hit me in the comment section and I will answer and I will communicate with you. So please hit us with a subscribe. Please, if you like this video and you want to see more of this type of videos, please hit a like, a subscribe, so that we can be a family, we can be one. My name is Mukhomutsi, I'm Alpha Wood Forex, and I am out.